Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. This is DeeGee from Stables. We'll do a very interesting take on fried egg today. So we've all had fried eggs on toast. One of my personal favorite is fruit bun, toasted with butter, loads of butter, salted butter. And then we put two fried eggs with chili powder in it, in between those buns. And we serve that with a hot tomato sauce with spicy garlic and red chili and a fresh fruit salad.
In a hot pan, add 2 teaspoons of olive oil, chopped ginger, garlic, green chilies and onions. Saute that for about a minute and a half to brown the ingredients. We then add tomato ketchup to this and finish with 1 teaspoon of sugar. This is a beautiful take on the ketchup and adds a whole different character to this dish. We cut the fruit bread and apply salted butter on both sides very liberally and put this on a hot pan to completely caramelize that. Break 2 eggs in a non-stick skillet and make sure that the flame is mild so that it comes out and it cooks well. We now add red chili powder and salt. This is unique, different, but beautiful. I love it. Place the fried egg between the 2 crispy toasts. And now, on a base of the red sauce that we've made, we put in the tossed vegetables, cucumber, carrot, and peppers with lemon, salt, and black pepper. Simple, but extremely fulfilling and exciting. I like it. I'm sure you will too. Give it a shot, guys. Cheers.